Hello and welcome to a new video. In this video I will talk about...
Shut up, it's about me. My name is William J. Blaskowitz, also known as Billy. I'm a 1/6 scale action figure. I hope you enjoy the video. And now the new intro created especially for you.
This is William Joseph Blaskowitz, nicknamed Terror Billy by the Germans. But who is this character? This character first appeared on the PC game Wolfenstein 3D. Wolfenstein 3D is a first-person shooter video game developed by ID Software and published by Apogee Software and FormGen. Originally released on May 5, 1992. In other words, Billy has been around the world since 1992. I loved this game. I played it back then over and over again. Billy is the protagonist in most games in the Wolfenstein series. But I'm not going to talk about those games, but about this action figure. This figure is actually a toy despite being collectible. On the buy of the game Wolfenstein: The New Colossus, this figure was included as part of a series called Elite Hands, which I think was never completely produced, and Billy is the antagonist of the German bad guy in the game's plot named Elite Hands. It is a promotional figure for the game. When I mention that a figure is a toy, it is because I consider it to be below the quality in terms of body, head, clothing, and equipment of what I consider to be quality as a collector of this type of figures, such as in this case. The quality of the uniform is not good. It's not very detailed, and the bomber jacket is very thick and have an unrealistic looking. The t-shirt has nothing special about it other than a nice Airborne Rangers logo. Despite this, it is based on what is used by Billy, known by the Germans as Terror Billy, in the game. The joints are of poor quality, although the head sculpt is not that bad. The hands are acceptable and the right hand grips the weapons well. The feet do not rotate individually, which prevents more realistic poses. However, the leg joints aren't the worst. Now let's look at the weapons Terror Billy uses to kill Nazis. This is the Shockhammer X. All weapons have been improved in terms of paintwork, so they don't look so unrealistic. This is the last one. As you can see, the weapons are very poor in terms of detail. And now let's take a look at the box. The box has text on the back describing the figure. If you want to read, just pause the video. The art is very attractive and clearly shows the idea behind creating this figure to promote the game. You might be wondering where that yellow jacket is that is supposed to be in the figure, because it is so much cooler than the bomber jacket. The answer is in the trash. It fell apart and I threw it away. There was no possible recovery. Here are some pictures of him. Terror Billy, please say goodbye to our friends. In the end, it is a figure worthy of my collection. In time I will try to improve it.